friends. Now we discuss one more example on Turing machine. So in this example, we have to construct a Turing machine for a language 0 to the power n, 1 to the power n, 2 to the power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. So this language represents that we are using only 3 characters, okay, that is 0, 1 and 2, okay. So in this, some number of 0 is followed by an equal number of 1s and then followed by an equal number of 2s, okay. So any type of string which falls in this category will be accepted by this language. So we are taking a string called 0, 0, 1, 1 and 2, 2. So 2 number of 0, 2 number of 1s and 2 number of 2. So where n is, or you can say n is equal to 2. So I am constructing a Turing machine for this string, that is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. So as we know that, so first we have to put this input string into the tape head, input tape. So we put this string like this, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2 and one blank character, that is del, okay. And the tape head is always pointing to the first symbol of the input tape, that is 0, and initially we are on the Q0 state. So the first move is we are on the Q0 state pointing to or read 0, so it will go to the next state, that is Q1, okay. This 0 is replaced by capital A and we move to the right of this input tape. In searching of, if 1, 0 is encountered, so in searching of we are moving ahead in searching of number of 1s or number of 2s, okay. Now, so the input tape will be represented by 0, sorry, this 0 is replaced by A, so this is now A, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2 and del, and the tape head is pointing the second 0. Now, as the tape head is pointing second 0, so we are not interested in this 0, we are interested in 1, because 1, 0 is followed by the next 1 and this 1 is followed by 2. So for this purpose, if I am still on the Q1 state and reading 0, so it will remain on the same state Q1 and 0 will remain as it is, and again we move to the right of the input tape, okay. So the current status of the input tape will become A, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2 and del, and the tape head is at 1, okay. Now the movement is, we are on the Q1 state, okay. So we are on Q1 state in reading 1. So the first 1 is encountered, so it will change, the state will change to a new state, that is Q2. This 1 is replaced by capital B and we are moving to the right of the input tape in searching of the first 2, because 0 is followed by 1 and 1 is followed by 2. So the current status of this input tape will become A, 0, this 1 is replaced by B, 1, 2, 2 and del, and the tape head is moving 1. Now the next movement is, right now I am on the Q2 state reading 1 input, so there will be no state change, so it will remain in the same state Q2, 1 is remain as it is, and again we are moving to the right of the input tape. So the input tape will become A, 0, B, 1, 2, 2 and del, and the input tape head is pointing 2. Now the movement is fifth. The movement is, we are on the Q2 state reading 2. So this 2 is encountered first time. So this Q2, the state will change, becomes Q3. Okay. Now this 2 is replaced by C and we are moving to the, there are two cases. Either I can move right or either can I move to left of the input tape. So in the last example, I am moving for at the present situation, we are moving to the left of this input tape. So we take another case. So if I am taking to the right of this input tape, so how it works. So this will become A 0, B 1, C 2 and del, and the tape head is pointing the 2. Now, so for this 2, the state will not be changed. So the movement will be, we are on the Q3 state, reading reading 2. So it will remain on the Q3 state, 2 will remain as it is, and now we are moving to the left of it. So the input tape will become A 0, B 1, C 2 and del, and the input head is at C. So the next movement is, we are on Q3 state, C, so it will remain on the Q3 state, C will remain as it is, and we are moving to the left of it. So we are taking simultaneously one by one. So after C, it will on 1, so Q3 1, so it will remain on Q3 1 and left. After 1, this is capital B, so the state will not change, symbol will not change, and we move left. After B, we on 0, so it will remain Q3 0 and then left. After 0, we are on A, so Q3 A. So if this becomes, when we are reaching to this A, as we know that this A is on initial state, that is Q0. So this will become Q0 state A, and again we are moving to the right of this, because number of 0, 1 and 2 will be 1. Now we are moving ahead to read next 0, next 1 and next 2. So for that purpose, we are moving to the right of the input tape. So the input tape will become A 0, B 1, C 2 and del, and the pointer is at 0. Right now I am on Q0 state and reading 0 input. So this will become Q0 0. So I am moving to the Q1 state, that is Q1. So this small 0 is replaced by capital A, and then we are moving to the right of it. So the input tape will become, so the input tape is A, B 1, C 2 and del, and tape head is pointing to B. So now that is 9th movement. Now I am Q1 state, okay. I am reading B, so it will remain on the same state Q1, B as it is, and move to right. So the input tape will become A, B 1, C 2 and del, and the pointer is at 1. So the next movement is, I am on Q1 state reading 1, so this 1 will encounter second time, so this means we have to change the state, that is, this is Q2, small 1 is replaced by capital B, and we are moving to right because we have to wait until the second 2 will be encountered. So the input head will remain A, B, C 2 and del, and pointer is at C. So the movement will be Q2, C. So remain in the same state, C will remain as it is, and we move to the right. So the now input tape will become A, B, C 2 and del, and the input is at 2. The next movement is, we are on the Q2 stage, pointing 2. So the second 2 encounter, so this will remain in the next state, that is Q3, 2 is replaced by C, and now we are moving to the left of it. So we are moving to the left until we reach the A, okay, before B is A. So the pointer is at A, B, C and del, and pointer is at now to this A. So immediately before B is A, that means that all zeros are marked by capital A. So we will have to move right to ensure that no 1 or 0 is present. So for that purpose, for this A, we are on which state? We are on the right now I am on Q3 state. Pointer is at A. So for this for this A, we are on the Q0 state initially. So this will become Q0. This A will remain as it is, and we are moving to the right of this. Now the current position of the input tape will become, see here. So the input tape will become A, B, B, C, C, and del. Okay, and then we move to Q0 state, read B. So it will move to the next state Q4, B remain as it is, and we move to the right. So we go to the state Q4, the symbol will not change, and we move to the right. Then we read this B. So this will become Q4 B. So it will remain in the same state Q4 B, and we move to the right. After this B, we have to read C. So on Q4, I have to read C. So Q4, C, and R. Again for this C, the state will be remain same. So the transition will become Q4, C, and R. So this will duplicate. So we make it once, or we can write by 2 also. And after this, we on the delta. So as we reach to the delta, so we move to the next state, that is Q5. Delta is remain same. R, and where Q5 is our halt state. Okay, so this is how we construct a Turing machine for this language, that is 0 to the power n, 1 to the power n, 2 to the power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. Now we design the transition diagram for this example. So we are taking the first movement, that is Q0 0. So initially we are on the Q0 state. Okay, read 0. This will replace by A, and you are reading, reaching to the right of the input tape and are on the Q1 state. The next movement is Q1 0. So on Q1 0 0 R. The next movement is, we are on Q1 state, reading 1, and we are moving to the next state, that is Q2. So this is, if this is Q2, so this will become 1, B, and R. Then Q4. So on Q2, if I am reading 1, 1, 1, and R. Okay. Now the next movement is 5th. The movement is Q2, reading 2. We are moving to the Q3 state. So this is Q3, and then this will become 2, C, R. Now if I am on Q2 and reading 2, so I am on the same state, that is 2, 2, L. Now if I am reading Q3 and reading C, so it will become C, C, L. Now then CCL. Then if I am Q3, so 1, 1, L. Then B, B, L. Then 0, 0, L. Then if I am Q3 and reading capital A, so it will move to the Q0 state. So this will become A, A, R. The next movement is, if I am on Q0 state, if I am on the Q0 and 0 input, so I am going to Q1 with AR. So 0 AR will remain, already exist. So the ninth will be Q1 and B. Q1, if I am reading B, so this will become BB, R. Now on 10th, if I am on Q1 reading 1, B, R. Now I am Q2 reading C, so it will become CC, R. Then I am Q2 and reading 2, so 2, CR, so it will become 2C, L. Then if I am Q3 reading capital A, it moves to the Q0. Okay, so after 12, the next is Q0, see here, Q0 with B. So next state is, if I am on Q0 and I am B, so I am moving to the next state, that is Q4. So this will become B, B, R. Now on Q4, if I am reading B, B, R. So this is C, C, R. Q4 again CCR, so we will take by at least 1. Then we are reaching to the Hall state, that is Q5, and the input is del R. So this is how we construct the Turing machine for this particular example. So I hope you understood this, and still if you have any doubt, then you can ask in our comment section, and keep watching our video. Thank you so much.